everybody, it's Gazzi from Gazzi's ABCs. Today, do you know what letter we're going to do? Yeah, we're going to do the letter H. Last lesson we did the letter G, so now it's H. How do we make a H with our bodies? First thing we have to do is open our legs and squat down like this. So we start with the bit going up there. Then we've got the middle bit, which is our body. And we're going to put our hands like this. Look at me, I'm a H. Can you say H? Yeah, good job. So, what begins with the letter H? That thing you wear on your head in winter. That's it, a hat. Hats come in loads of different types. You can have a hat like this, a hat like this, a hat like this, or if you're really crazy, you could wear a hat like this. Okay, so we've got H, H, H. Then we've got the word hat. Okay, so let's go. Hat. Good job. So hat. Let's show everybody our hat. 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 Where do we put the hat? That's right. On your head. So let's say hat, hat, on my head. Good job. Let's go with me. Once more. H, H, H. Hat, hat, on my head. Okay, all together now. Are you ready? Yeah? Are you ready? Good. 3, 2, 1. H, H, H. Hat, hat, on my head. Yeah! Awesome job, guys. I'll see you next time on Gazzi's ABCs.